My purpose of this video is to show you how to sketch a layout of your house and share it with us so that we can help you out with it. You go to Sketchpad, click on Sketchpad, and it will load you this awesome sketching app which you can do just online. Pencil, choose a pencil. Pencil is the best and easiest way to do that. So I would draw, first of all, start with a rectangle of how high your house is, right? So draw something like that, and then label the front door. Okay, start with the front door. Okay, and then if you have a car, draw us a car here. That is my car. Okay, that's how my car looks like. But if you don't have a car, we just want to see how far you from the street. Draw the street for us, your front door, and the next thing is let's divide the house into different floors, right? If you got 2 floors or 3 floors, just put it those floors, and then the last thing we want to do is draw the basement. Okay, then the house structure is finished. Let's put in your back door here. So how far? Let's put a back door, and if you could really, we'll put the back door, and then if you have a deck, put a deck, and if you have a garage, draw a garage. What we need is just compartmentalize the rooms where there are major walls. A living room, a dining room, and kitchen. If you don't have a breakdown of your kitchen and your living room or dining room, then just don't put the line, and then depending on each floor how many bedrooms you have. And then lastly, what you want to do is we want to start labeling the rooms. So you go to text, any text here is fine, and then click on it. It's asking you. So I will do bedroom first, and then you can use this to reduce that size. Bedroom, let's label that bedroom. Accessible basement, or it's a rental, right? Or it's an apartment. Either one. We just want to make sure that whether you need Wi-Fi, separate Wi-Fi for your tenant, if it's an apartment and you want a guest Wi-Fi or anything like that, which allows guests to use it, not still securing your personal network, then put that as an apartment. Let's label your family room, right? Family room, living dining room. Let's put that there. Okay, we got that. We want to know how far is the street. It will be really helpful for us to know what is the distance, how big your backyard is. My house, it's 40 feet. Distance between garage and house, right? So that is done. That's the important information. Would appreciate you guys do is if you go to circle with this pencil function, change the color to red. You can let me know where is the Wi-Fi slow or bad, right? Whether it's here at the back, in your bedroom, in this bedroom, where is it slow with the red pen, and then I'm going to show you what's happening in this house that we are having problem with. And then what you can do is change it to green. Go to green, and let us know where the Wi-Fi is good. So in my house, Wi-Fi is kind of good in this area, right? Because that's all we need from you to let us now tell you what you can do and how you're going to solve the Wi-Fi solution 100%. The solution that we have for you is 100% guaranteed that it is going to work, and we're going to tell you how you can do that, exactly do that for your house, whether it's an older house, lath and plaster, it's a newer house, it doesn't matter how. We're going to show you how you can do that. So the next thing here is you have to share this file. So if you go down here and click on export at the bottom left here, export button. Then it's going to ask you whether you want to download or share. You can download and attach it in an email. If you want to share, choose the size. Whatever's default here is good. Share it. Then the next thing you want to do is you can just copy the direct link. Help, send it to help@leslievillegeek.ca. Your first name, last name, and your street. So my street is Wolverley Boulevard. Please help me out to give me more information. And then we copied the link just now, put that link to us, and that's it. And we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you don't want to go through that, we also have we can also do on-site consult for our technician to come out to your house and map out what can be done to give you 100% guaranteed Wi-Fi solution. Okay, till I hear from you, waiting forward to that email. Till then, take care. See you soon.